coming everywhere, basically, in the end.
Wow.
2/3 of Britain is supposed to be surveyed for it. Yeah.
I'm dead against this.
Right.
I think so. Really, it's got all kinds of people don't realise about these things like people trying to get mortgages. They could go into your house as well.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't mind my recording this for? Okay. You'll be on Facebook later. Okay.
I don't know.
Right.
Regulation, this will also be the case in the UK. Only one well has been drilled and fracked here and it caused earthquakes that damaged the well so gas and chemicals could leak out. Fracking releases radioactive contaminants is used as trackers into the water. We will not be lied to or accept insubstantial promises. Inform people, speak to your local MP before it's too late.
Your taps could end up on fire. Would you like a fracking leaflet? Coming to attack
David Cameron says shale is important for our country. It could bring loads of jobs. This is all lies.
Right. Do you mind being filmed? I wonder if do you know about fracking?
I went to the fracking dome.
Oh right.
And I said, "Have you got any fracking work for me?" No, they said to me, "I want you to go fracking home and have some cocoa and get into bed. You're a fracking waste." So I said, "Hasta la vista, baby. Good on you. Fracking, go, gone. Fracking, forget it."
MPs have chosen the Northwest conveniently as the central place of fracking in England because none of them live here. It will poison our water supplies and no one knows about it.
Alright guys, nothing to worry about here, we're just fracking. Most people don't know what fracking is, they might have heard of it but they're not really sure what it is. So what fracking is hydraulic gas extraction. It's the shale gas that's underneath the ground and sand and chemicals, poisonous chemicals are injected into the ground and blown up to create energy, and yeah, it's definitely not and doesn't even get in the water table and pollute the water supply. No, like it, of course it does.
What did he say?
He's...
Hello.
What about you though?
The case in the UK. Only one well has been drilled and fracked here, and it caused earthquakes and damaged the well, so gas and chemicals would leak out.
Thank you.
Like the masks very
In the future and increase our energy security, but fracking won't bring any jobs. Will only last a maximum of 50 years. Contaminants used to trackers in the water have been lost down wells in America. When toxins get into the water supplies, everyone will be affected.
One woman in America, Lisa Parr, is suing a gas company who fracked near where she lived in the early fall of 2009. She visited an environmental doctor who confirmed the presence of neurotoxins in her blood that matched chemicals used in natural gas production. Her and her family suffered severe headaches, nosebleeds, and skin irritation.
Nice and safe. You don't want a nice drink of water. Only around 600 chemicals have been pumped into this water, but Quadrilla still think it's safe to drink.
As chemicals are released into the water table,
Government-made beds.
They drill right down into the ground. Right. So you get the smooth oil. Right. Then you put it in a fractal distillation.
It's about 17,000 feet, right? Shale rock, right?
Got it now. Right next to us. Like they're doing one in Chester, they're doing one in the middle and stuff. Right after red, and it's
Good when they actually ask for one, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, there's some people I already know, like that lady that was talking to you.
I know, yeah.
Looks safe to me.
It's structurally unsound. It's philosophically unsound. It's unsound on any level you want to talk about it.
That's not my concern. It's your concern, but it's not your fight.
Farndon in south of Chester.
South of Chester.
Upton near the zoo, you know Chester Zoo, just down there.
Lots of these that haven't made the highlights on the news, have they?
They haven't, no.
They won't.
They won't, yeah, they highlight what?
This is your democracy for you.
Actually, to be fair, there was an Inside Out programme which looked at the way that actually dumped radioactive material in the ship canal, in breach of the environmental agency's rules.
They can do it, they will.
That actually did get on them.
And that's the kind of water that's going in there.
Well,
that's
an exaggerated illustration.
And
grapefruit juice, actually.
Right.
I hope you get loads of support. I will join a local fracking.
You don't mind my having filmed you at all?
No, not at all.
We'll put you on Facebook. You don't mind that?
I never go on Facebook, but yeah, I don't mind.
Terrible place, Facebook.
Well,
but anyway, it helps to get the message out. Yeah.
Precisely.
Yeah.
We've got an the city council are selling off some meadows.
Yeah.
We're doing our best.
Oh,
for that.
Sefton Park Meadows, I know. Yeah.
We're part of the campaign.
Good on you. Right. Great stuff. Cheers. All right. Thank you.
I think it's a good prop. People see it and then they want to stop them. What is this?
That's right, yeah.
Only causes small poisons to get into the water supply. It's okay because we have actually invested small amounts of money into the community. All the health programs you'll all develop.
This one was like up with the road was
Like small earthquakes.
This is like and then they sell that. This technology is going to last 50 years. They're going to have to find something else.
Say no to fracking. 8 fracking rigs have been sold along the Mersey. Say no.
Did you know about fracking
Fracking
already?
will poison your
journalism student.
Oh, right.
In America and Australia. The government cannot.
One thing that might be interesting to you is the fact that we find it very hard to get on the media. You know, the mainstream media ignore us, and I think there are various reasons for this, including the fact that Peel Holdings, who own the land on which the people are camping in Barton Moss, are also the landlords of the BBC. So, you know, there's a political connection there that needs exploring. And if you want any of the dirt on Peel Holdings, there's plenty of it on there, I can tell you. And you know, I don't know if you know that they've got plans to frack in Farmdon, south of Chester, Chester Zoo, Upton, the other side of Chester.
I'm going there.
Right, well, just near there. And if we've got the postcode and stuff, so if you're interested in going to visit, they'd be very glad to see you.
Into the Manchester Ship Canal. This will only continue to happen if we allow these companies to get what they want.
There's a camp already set up
Say no
there.
to fracking.
We heard that Dart Energy were about to move in.